Land banking is a must.
Pilot estate.
Land banking is a must.
We are number one. If you buy land from Pilot, you can go and sleep. Go shake it. Anywhere in Nigeria. The most safest, the most honest, the most consistent, surest plot for land matter. Land without problem. Land without police case. Land without court case. We dey deliver with the original. I live estate.
Land banking is a must.
I live estate.
Land banking is a must.
I live estate.
Land banking is a must.
The chief marketing officer of my business. Like I was saying, our purpose are all, we might have different agendas in order to better our life and better our families. But the major purpose is to see the company succeed. For when this honorable company succeeds, we all have succeeded. This is the Lagos State branch office of Pine Investments and Properties Limited. Here we be here as a good in Lagos State. We are not here to grow the economy of Lagos State. Rather, we are here to introduce our people, to convince our people that there is a better option at home. Our people are having the liquid wealth here. And in one way or the other, we must make them remember home. When they remember home, there is only one trusted estate company they will invest in, which is our dear company. And while we are praying, the international admission of the ministers. The greatest unifier of all time. The man who unifies the whole Igbo nation. China can be an Ajugo Yebeo, an Ajugo, Iwone Zo, Iwone Amaraku, Iwone Ugo, every man name, that is a good name. An Ajugo, can you deliver? He is only interested in what we can deliver for the betterment of the world and humanity. So we are praying, I need to get us. Director, I'm on the Philippines today. They got like I said, I called him the greatest unifier. Why he is unifying Umi, why he is unifying the world, his family will never break apart. But that family is a strong point and energy together. And I am calling on every person who in the interest of this company. Now that will watch. And I am how are you doing, guys? Yes. Thank you. No, I mean, this place will blossom. This ground will blossom. This office will be the connecting point of every wealth transfer back home. You see, I'm not being remorseful over what I'm saying. I say we are transferring the wealth of Umi back home. And when are we yes, they call me tribalistic, but fighting for my nation is not bad. So I don't when you see the love that is in Pine Leaf, you have no other option than to work for it. All right. Thank you.
What you like? Where do you want land? Look for Pine Leaf. One for building.